man down. You ain't really bad, pack down, pack down. I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me, soft camera. If a nigga try me, won't recover. You don't like me, pretty in a real life, and a gram. Where you get the horse from? But damn, I don't want a Rari, but can. Free on my army, too land. No dark hole, got the strap for them. Skirt the whip like Sebastian. They don't wanna see me, don't shank on them. When I butt my man, I roll.
Said the pregnant lady, it fucked on my head. Couple things I regret trying to earn a wage. 48 laws, one book that I read. So if I repent, can I turn the page? Gotta get rid of bad vibes, anti-clockwise, gotta burn the sage. I say it with chest, but I know some things locked in, I prefer not to say it. I fucked up, I'm admitting it. I got no ego, I got no shame. I swallow my pride and say that I'm missing it. Creep in the changing room at school and tea from the kids that are privileged. Stolen clothes with a rip in it. Also a stolen phone, no sim in it. Now I got peas, I give it up. No charity work trying to write off tax. Feds got me on the driving ban in the passenger seat to my license back. Ghost and fly off the map. Try to get my mind off rap. I get some sort of survivor's guilt when I see why I'm so supplying crack. This life don't come with retiring.
Wow. Man down. You ain't really bad, pack down. I don't give a fuck right now. Why everybody judge like Simon Cowell? All up on my IG, undercover. But you don't like me, soft camera. If a nigga try me, won't recover. You don't like me.
Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on.